Okay. Okay, great.
Hi everybody, here are the topics that we're working on for Friday. Oop, let me adjust a little bit there. Starting off, of course, with the latest information about Zimmerman today on the webcast. What's going on in that case? A lot of new developments today. What's everybody think about it? Should he stay in jail? Should he be released? Etc. Also, Facebook. Wow, taking a weird turn for a woman, a pregnant army wife who found out that her husband was dead via Facebook, not the normal way, which would have been military personnel coming to her front door, ringing the doorbell, and letting her know. So we're taking a look about what would you rather find out some information about that from somebody who was at the scene or from the officials? We'll take a look at that, and also how social media is probably going to change the way the military does things in the future. Thinspiration, heard about it? We're going to be talking about those picks and whether or not they should be banned from certain social media websites. Also, he's been called the most hated man on the internet. So what did this guy do and what's next for him? Taking an interesting turn, but we're going to talk a little bit about his perspective on what he was doing. What does it mean to you? Also, tornado chasers. Yeah, I mean, you've seen the video out, right? YouTube, and that's how we get a lot of video nowadays, are people who out there chasing those storms. Well, are they causing more of a problem than benefiting for that, one great shot? We'll be talking about that as well. Of course, the Hangout starts at 11 o'clock Pacific Standard. All you need is a Gmail account, then add G+. It's as easy as that. We would love to see you there and be part of our cyber studio, and more importantly, part of the conversation. See you guys in a while.